What up, G Squad? Wagwan me out, people. Today is a special day, and I got no AC. The summer is here, so you gotta have AC, bro. No change of plans. So now we have to change some plans up because the thing is, I only bought these. And to recharge the AC, you have to have a connector, like it's like a hose with a gauge. So the person who has the gauge, he owns an EVO as well, a blue one. I think I've posted a video with his blue EVO in it, EVO X. He's at a car wash, so we're just gonna meet up with him. Probably do a little cleaning to this car, even though it's not that dirty, but can't be too clean, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just waiting on Siobhan to get ready. Y'all don't want to see the phone I'm using to record this. Look at it. That's the phone I'm using to record. All cracked up, looking like shit. But now. One headlight. That's the EVO X. Only guy in Nova Scotia that takes 3 hours to wash his car. Clean!
I have to ask, who's faster?
This one.
Really? I was gonna say you sounded faster. You sounded a little bit louder.
Yeah, this guy's, look at them tips.
How much power does he make?
How much power I make, Siobhan?
Huh?
How much power does I push?
1,000. No way.
Nah. Oh, that's nice.
Don't know if you can see that or not.
Yeah. Awesome. My car clean already. Clean for real. Like, clean. Eh?
Yeah, we're fast since I watched it.
Since washing. Say so this longer?
How would it say? 4 minutes. Zero, so yours is where mine was, so just turn the can upside down.
You gotta put a hole in the can?
Sure. This will come, oh, this puts the hole in the can for you. And then, so once, if you keep screwing, it'll put a hole in the can by itself. And then once you're ready to start pumping it, turn it upside down to make sure you're putting air in it as opposed to. Okay.
So, it's inside done now.
Yep.
In here?
Yep. And then until it starts to get to that green line or the blue.
It's at the blue right now.
Pump it a little bit more. Good. And then start it. Put your AC on full and then just keep.
Hold it full. Wait a second, let's squeeze it now. When I squeeze it, it's going back to 0.
Yeah, so just keep going because that means the system actually pressurizing it now.
So hold it down there,
Just keep pumping and make sure shake it down. So basically, and then wait for it to drop some more before you keep pumping because you don't want to overfill it. So if you keep pumping now and it goes to red,
where is it now? It should be in the yellow or blue.
it should be in the blue by the time it's all said and done. But since it's running,
It's getting cold.
yeah. So you'll basically keep doing that until it can empty.
Okay. There? Ready? Get your pin in. Just spin now. You next step. AC. Like that look like it's full now, right?
Can empty?
No. I don't know. It's empty?
Yeah, basically about empty.
Pull this up, right?
Yeah, quick.
What the hell is that for the cover? It's not empty. It's not empty. Like one more? What? It's not empty. It's easy, look.
You just don't want to, if it's empty, you don't want to keep pumping it because then you put air in the system.
Oh, yeah.
So you basically want to be more safe than sorry.
That's true.
And just make sure shake it too.
I'm gonna put the cover. I'm gonna put the cover for you to off. Yes, my
And then
car
you
is
probably
next.
need one more again with some oil, same way like how I need one more, but it's cool already.
Yeah, it's done now. Definitely done now too. My car is next. Pop up on it. So now, sheesh. K24. Know what I mean? Oh, you don't know, you're full to bombard. If I read, maybe you have too much enough here. Warning. Feel up on the warning. What cause your video anyway? Your candle's been up in night too. Car constantly,
But at least you know a leak.
and you know see something that work. So this gas you know me want. So that's still good news.
So can be modifications, but I don't know what to do to this. If I put nothing on that.
At least that's still good news, but at least you know you have a leak. You something that work. When we start, I think you probably push up the rest of the ear then.
True.